In today's digital marketplace, meaningful connections with customers are essential for survival and growth. ActiveCampaign promises to transform your audience engagement, but is it the right choice for you? The company began as a small consulting firm in 2003, evolving towards powerful software solutions. ActiveCampaign's transition to a software-as-a-service model marked a turning point for its business model. The strategic shift received substantial funding, enabling global expansion and the refining of its tools. Today, ActiveCampaign serves over 180,000 customers across 170 countries, showcasing its effectiveness and appeal. What core features truly set ActiveCampaign apart in the vast marketing automation landscape? Email marketing capabilities go beyond basics, utilizing advanced segmentation and analytics for deep engagement. ActiveCampaign's visual automation builder makes creating responsive customer journeys simple and accessible for all. Integrating sales processes into marketing, ActiveCampaign offers a CRM that streamlines client interactions seamlessly. With over 900 integrations, your tech stack can work wonderfully together, automating your entire ecosystem. ActiveCampaign's pricing structure operates on a tiered model catering to diverse business sizes and needs. The platform is particularly beneficial for e-commerce, service-based businesses, and even educational institutions. How does ActiveCampaign compare to competitors like HubSpot, Klaviyo, and MailChimp in this crowded market? ActiveCampaign excels in automation complexity, while competitors like MailChimp offer easier interfaces for beginners. As ActiveCampaign continues innovating, it remains positioned to meet evolving marketing automation needs worldwide.